Here we are on the Klipsch stand at the CES 2007 in front of their new 2.1 virtual surround sound system concept. Here's the central hub of the top-of-the-end range, the CES 700, which has an integrated AM/FM tuner, plays CDs and DVDs with an antenna for wireless connections. The speakers are small and elegant, integrating the woman acceptance factor, but on the man side, each satellite has dual magnetically shielded 3-inch woofers and a 3/4-inch magnetically shielded tweeter. System comes with a big subwoofer, as you can see, using 8-inch downfiring woofer and 200 watts of amplifying power for hard-hitting bass response. It's really no wonder that the CES 700 DVD entertainment system won this year's CES Innovation Award. Next to it, we have the younger brother, the CES 500, with a smaller subwoofer, which utilizes 6.5-inch woofer and a built-in Class D amplifier that distributes 35 watts of power to each of the satellites and 100 watts power to the subwoofer. Over here to complete the range is the CES 300, which offers a 2.1 setup that consists of 2 compact satellites, a smaller yet powerful subwoofer, and an infrared receiver input box and a universal system remote. The IR receiver input box features Dolby virtual speaker technology, allowing the CES 300 to simulate a highly realistic 5.1 surround sound. Also on the stand is the renowned reference series speakers that use the exclusive Klipsch horn technology. We got to see these products at our previous clip at the City in Denver, but here we have a new addition, a triangular-shaped subwoofer, which is not 1 or 2, but actually 3 subwoofers in one in the RT12D, which employs 3 high-output 12-inch ceramic metallic drivers, 1 front-firing woofer, and 2 rear-firing passive radiators in a highly powered 800-watt RMS amplifier. Through proprietary DCS technology, this subwoofer also offers easy-to-use full control and flexibility with different source material. As you can see, here we have digital user interface that lets you make easy adjustments of all functions, including 3 equalization modes, flap, deep, and punch, as well as 5 user-adjustable presets, music, movie, night, and 2 personalized settings to create specific listening preferences. With this audio room correction process known as adaptive room correction, or ARC, the included calibration microphone and the RT12D ensures total performance in every listening area at the touch of a button. It comes in a cherry finish or black ash wood veneer. And if you don't have the budget for this, well, we can move to the more compact model in the reference series line, the RSW10D, which also has the DSC, Digital Control Subwoofer technology. Here we can't do the demonstration that we gave you before, but it does work, believe us. Also on the Klipsch stand, we can see the Mirage speakers. As explained in one of our previous video clips, as you may remember, Mirage is part of the big Klipsch group. Here we have on demonstration the OM design with the new finishing, as you can see here. These have an exclusive speaker design. If you want more details about these models and the omnipolar technology used to make them work, see our exclusive video clip product presentation at its launch at the CES in Denver last fall. It's a superb combination of technology, and as you can see here, beautiful finishings, including this red cherry, as well as a new black lacquer. The speaker cover elegantly hides the top drivers, as you can see, for the women in the house. You can admire it for yourself. Here is the rest of the range on the right, with a very original design center speaker, smaller floor and surround speakers as well. It's interesting to see here all the brands at the CES that make up the Klipsch group that is now the largest box speaker manufacturer in the world. Get details in a recent interview at the ISE in Amsterdam. Here we can see the logos of Mirage, Energy, the Klipsch group, of course, but including over here on the right, last but not least, Jamo. This means that we have here on the stand for iDock Mania a model under the Klipsch label. A second one, Jamo, the Jamo model, a small little square that we've seen before. You can see here with a very interesting iPod dock and a subwoofer. And finally on the right, the Mirage range in the same product segment. Here we have the Jamo C80 speaker system with an in-wall version as well as a floor standing model for a mix and match installation. This is similar to the strategy they used at the THX Ultra speakers we saw at the Klipsch lineup at the CES.